Hello learners, welcome to yet another episode of our virtual learning class. Today we'll be looking at mathematics, and under mathematics we'll be looking at subtractions. Okay, we'll be looking at subtractions. Our subtraction for today is subtractions of 3-digit numbers from 0 to 1000 involving expanded forms. We'll be doing subtractions of 3-digit numbers from 0 to 1000 involving expanded forms. Okay, involving expanded forms. Now, when we say expanded forms, what comes in mind? Expanded forms, in our previous lessons, we said expanded forms is when you stretch or when you open up something. Okay, to open up or to stretch forth something. Okay. Now, our objectives for today, we want to subtract 3-digit numbers involving expanded forms. Okay, we want to learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers involving expanded forms. And I said earlier on that expanded forms means to open up, okay, or to stretch forth. For instance, I have 24. Okay, I have 24. For instance, I have 24, and I ask you to expand this. What I'm saying is, break them down. We have 24. That means this is in tens and what? Ones. Okay, tens and ones. So what will be here? What do we have here? 24. The tens for this is what? 20 plus what? 4. Okay, so we have expanded 24. Okay, we have expanded 24. Quickly, let's look at what we have for today. Now, on the board, we have 356. 356 minus 32. Minus 32. Okay, we are to subtract 32 from 356. Okay, we are to subtract 32 from 356. What is the first thing to do? Earlier on, we spoke about how to subtract, and we said we always subtract from where? The right side. Okay, we are always going to do the subtraction from the right side. So we have 6 oranges. Okay, we have 6 oranges. Okay, and we are to give 2 out to a friend. Okay, so we give these 2 out to a friend. What is left, or how many oranges do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have what? 4 oranges left. Okay, we have 4 oranges left. In the same way, we have 5. Okay, 5 and 3. We are taking the 3 out of what? The 5. We are taking the 3 out of the 5. Okay, the 3 out of the 5. So 5 minus 3 is what? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are taking how many? 3 out. 1, 2, 3. So what? How many do we have? We have 1, 2. Okay, we have just this 2. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Okay. Now we have 3, but there is nothing here. We have 3, but there is nothing here. What does it mean? We are simply saying 3 minus what? 0. 3 minus what? 0. There is nothing here. So 3, you have 3 oranges, and then you took 0 out. Okay, you have 3 oranges, and then you took 0 out. And 0 simply means nothing. You took nothing out. So if you have 3 oranges, 1, 2, 3, and you took nothing from it, what is left? We still have what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our answer will be what? 324. Okay, our answer will be 324. So quickly, let's look at how to expand this. Okay, let's look at how we are going to expand this. Okay. Okay, the first one is what? 356. 356. Out here you see H, which is 100, tens, and then what? Ones. Okay, so let's start. We have 356. So the first is 300. How many numbers do you see behind the 3? We have 2, which is 5 and 6. So 2. Okay, they become what? Zeros. Okay, so you write what? 3 and what? 2. So you have 1, 2. Okay. The next one is what? 5. So after 5, how many numbers do you see after the 5? You have just 1. So we write what? Plus 5 and 1. Okay, 1, 0. Okay. The next one is what? 6. After the 6, do you see any 0? Do you see any numbers here? No. That's the last number. So you write what? 6. This should tell you that this is what? Hundreds, tens, and what? Ones. Okay. 100, tens, and what? Ones. Okay. Let's look at the next one. We have what? 32. 32. We have to expand 32. So where are we expanding from? Are we going to start from this place? No. Look at where this is. We have 6 here and we have what? 2 here. So we can't write this 3 here. We are going to start from the back. Okay. So the first one is what? 2. So we have 2. Okay, we have our 2. And then we have plus. Okay, so what's next? After the 2, you have 3. And how many numbers do you have behind the 3? We have just 1. So you write what? 30. So you underline it. Okay. Let's move on. If you look at your answer here, you realize we still have how many numbers? 3 numbers. So what do? We quickly start with the 3, or we can still start from the back. So 6 minus 2 is what? The answer is already here. So we have what? 4. Okay. Plus 50 minus 30, which is 20. Okay. And then we have 300 minus what? 0. Okay. 300 minus what? 0. So your answer will be what? 300. Don't forget the plus. Okay. Let's quickly go through this and then. Okay, so we have 723. 723 minus 312. Minus 312. We have 3. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. And then the next one is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1, which is also what? 1. 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus what? 3. 1, 2, 3. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are left with what? 4. Okay. So let's try and expand it. We have 723, which is 700. Because of the 2 zeros, the 2 numbers, we write the 2 zeros. Plus 2. So 20 and then plus 3. Let's take the next one. We have 312. So 303 and then 1. 1. We have only one number. 0 plus 2. Let's quickly subtract. We have 3 minus 2, 1, plus 20 minus what? 10. We have what? 10. Plus 700 minus 300, which is what? 400. Okay. I hope you've understood what we did today. I'll put more questions on the page from which you can try and answer in the house. Okay. So till we meet next time, stay safe and be good children. Bye.